In this video, we're gonna show you how to change your tire with nothing but an impact drill and what's on the front of your trailer. Let's go. Now, before you do anything, if you're on the trail, my assumption is that your trailer is already hooked up to your vehicle. Please make sure you've already watched the safely removing and unhitching and also hitching up your trailer to your vehicle video, which you'll see in the playlist below. Step number one is to always make sure that your handbrake is fully deployed and pulled back. That way your 10-inch drum brakes on the back of your trailer are locking those wheels up so you can work safely back there. So we're gonna crank it, and again, if you think you're tensioned enough, you're not, do it harder, okay? Step number two, you're gonna wanna make sure that this jack has your handle. Now, when you're driving, this handle will be safely stored in your front box, just magnetic here, and then start cranking it down. Step number three to changing a tire is going to be taking the front of your trailer and putting that tongue all the way to the ground. Promise, there's a reason for everything, okay? So let's practice this again. Make sure it's safely unhooked from your vehicle, you pull the handbrake, and that you have your crank on your rolling jack. Now, the reason this works is we're gonna take the trailer and we're going to put the tongue all the way to the ground. We're gonna take the rear jack and drop it and crank it all the way up. Then we're gonna use the front rolling jack and lift that up. And what that'll essentially do is take your tire on the opposing side of that jack and lift it off the ground. I'll show you how easy this is. So let's go ahead and bring this all the way to the ground. All right, now your rolling jack has now hit the bottom plate of your pin, and that's exactly where you want this to be. We're now gonna go to the back of the trailer and lower one of your other arc corner steady. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop our rear steady all the way down, and then we're going to lift the front of the trailer back up. So you're gonna pull on the handle, drop your jack, take your impact driver, all the way down, and touch the ground. I want you to go even more until this stops. All right, that should be far enough. Let's go back to the front of the trailer. Now, as we crank this back up, you're gonna watch that tire lift right off the ground. Now at this point, it's business as usual. You know the drill. Take your tire off that's flat, get the spare from the back of the trailer, swap them out, and at your next city or place of service that you can have a tire repair shop do it, make sure you get that spare tire fixed. You actually don't need to switch those back out because that is a full-size tire, not necessarily a spare anymore, right? Also, to bring that tire back down to the ground, you're gonna do the same thing but in reverse. Put your tire back on, you're gonna drop the front of the trailer back down to the ground, you're gonna retrieve and retract this rear jack, and then bring your front of your trailer back up, hook it up to your adventure vehicle, and carry on your merry way. Now, if you ever have any questions on any tips and tricks that we don't have, or you think we should shoot a video on, please reach out to L.O.B.O Adventure Trailers directly through social media or email, or even give us a call and we'll shoot that video for you as soon as possible. Thanks.